Wondering where your Facebook business messages are? As of December 3rd, 2025, the main hub is the Meta Business Suite. You can access it either through the Meta Business app on your phone or via a web browser at business.facebook.com. Once logged in, look for the Inbox tab, usually located on the left sidebar. Clicking Inbox will display a unified view of messages from your Facebook page, Instagram business account, and any linked WhatsApp business numbers. This consolidated inbox allows you to manage all your business communications in one place. Messages are shown in threaded conversations, displaying the sender's details, timestamps, and any attachments they've sent. To efficiently manage your messages, especially with high volumes, utilize the filter features. Filters, accessed via an icon within the inbox, let you sort messages by unread-read, responded-unresponded, specific channels like Messenger or Instagram DMs, and time-based ranges. Advanced filters, introduced in 2024, even allow searching by keywords, labels like customer complaint, or AI-detected themes. Set up notifications in Business Suite under Settings, Notifications. You can receive push notifications on your mobile device, email SMS alerts for high-priority messages, or create custom rules. Utilizing these features helps ensure timely and organized communication.